So here's a 2018 Jeep Compass. Customer had a little run-in. You can see the texture in the paint here. The panel has been repainted. We got a little bit of a line going up this way here, but we've got triple steel right here. This is where the door folds around the inside part. So we're gonna straighten this out for the customer, make it brand new for her. That way she doesn't have to have this repaired again and painted and then the color blended into this panel. Now also, there's another dent in the back door that we're gonna take out for her as well, and get that handled. But you can see that the orange peel, pretty much the whole side's been painted on this. It's the problem when you start refinishing your vehicles. Once you get past a certain point in this area, you're gonna have to go into that area to make the color match and then clear coat all that, and take the rear bumper and taillight off. Same with this front door. They wouldn't have to get into the fender, but they would replace the compass sign, remove the molding, the handle, and the belt molding, and the mirror, just to be able to guarantee their paint work, so the paint isn't peeling around the edges. So when body shops write that, don't be surprised. It's just the process that's needed for that style of repair. Another win for Paintless Dent Repair. Let's see what we can do here and get this customer their vehicle back. You can see there's some pretty sharp lines here where it's folding over. So hopefully we can get that back down for them. We'll talk to you soon. All right, this is the front door that we showed you earlier. See, saved all this here. And then there's a slight little wave in there, but she was pretty crunchy on that edge. So all brand new. Another happy customer.